Hi, this is Scott MacLeod, Customer Service Technologist with Nautel Support, answering your most common customer service questions. In this video, we address how to access information that will answer your most common pre-install and installation questions. These questions often include, what size breaker is required? Where to connect my audio and what type of audio can I connect? Remote connections, what type are available and where to connect them? And air conditioning requirements. Nautel has created a series of how-to videos that you can access at support.nautel.com. These videos include VS unboxing and setup, VS series installation overview. There's videos that include how to set up presets, and there's many more. And of course, the installation and pre-install manuals that come with your transmitter include all the information required to set up, install, and initial turn on your transmitter. For answers to other commonly asked questions and additional helpful resources, please visit support.nautel.com.